Hello everyone. Look behind you. Yeah, I usually do this. I'll be unboxing. I think I'm unboxing this. Okay. Instead of it's a slam jewel. It's beautiful. Unbox already. Does it work? There we go. You have jewels here. Okay. And add a photo here, and blah blah. And do your crown jewel, whatever. Let's go to the storybook. It's actually open already, so just princess stuff. This stuff. You can add jewels, color it. And this is my family and me, which you can do your family favorite. Okay, put your pictures. You guys can see. I wish I could do a time lapse. My collection of what do I do in here? Draw or paint a picture, something special. Too bad, Ariel. Too bad. More too low. The beast. Like. I wish I would have a blank space, baby. I don't know your name. I don't. And this is $12. Okay. Bye guys. I hope you guys like this video and bye.